días. Para este video vamos a mirar los números más grandes. I don't often get a chance to teach really big numbers in my class just because it's not built into the curriculum, but I am doing it now more often. But just in case you haven't had a chance to learn these numbers yet, I'm going to give them to you 100 through 1,000. Everything after that is actually pretty easy because it's just kind of like adding things together that you've already learned. I'll tell you what I mean in a second. And another reason I'm doing this is I was looking up, I didn't have these numbers written down on my computer where I could just print it off and give it to my students for a copy. So I was looking on the website for something I could copy-paste, make it easy on myself. And I was noticing that a lot of websites had these numbers incorrectly written down. They'd have some weird spellings, or they'd have an extra E for and in there somewhere that didn't belong there. So I thought I'd give you the numbers how I think they should be, or how I know them to be, and then hopefully they're right, and you can go with it. So I'm going to give you the numbers 100 through 1,000. I'll give you a few in between there, like maybe 175 or 250 or what have you, just so you can see how to do that. And that will be it. So I'll give you the number on the screen, tell you how to say it. I'll even show you the spelling of it as well, so you know how to write it, and then that'll be it. Okay, here we go. 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, 1000, 1000. So those numbers, 100 through 1,000, just so that you have an idea of how they work as far as going in between those numbers. Maybe 225 is going to be 200, and then you just add the number 25 after that. So 225. How about maybe 450 would be 450. Maybe 875 would be 875. And then maybe 999 would be 999. So really it's just saying the 100 type number, and then saying the number after that you've already learned, like 75. You don't have to put an and in there. You don't want to put an and in there. You wouldn't say like 999. You wouldn't say 999 because technically that would be 900.99. So we don't want to do that. And then even bigger than that, say maybe you wanted to say 5,000. It's really easy. You just say 5,000, 5, and then the word thousands, or 8,000, 8,000. And then if you want to make it more complicated, maybe 8,550. It would be 8,550. So really it's just kind of adding up things that you've already learned and putting them together to make that really big number. That is it. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have questions, let me know.